Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the speaker JBL Grip from the application. If we open the app, we have the speaker in the application, and in the app we have no option to remove the speaker. I can go back at the main menu, press and hold, nothing happened. As you can see, nothing. So, you have three options how to remove your speaker from the application. The first one, turn off your speaker, press one time at the power button at the top, and as you can see, nothing. We haven't the speaker in the app, but once you turn on your speaker reconnect to your phone and also reconnect with the application. And now we have it. The second option is to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. Now click the information icon or settings icon near to the speaker, and right here we have two buttons. So the first one is disconnect. We just disconnected. We still have the speaker at the device list, but we just stop Bluetooth connection with this speaker. And if I return to the app, also we have nothing. And when you reconnect your speaker, you will have it at the device list. In the app. So, the third option is to just unpair your speaker. You need to click at the forget or forget device or forget this device button, or unpair or remove. But once you did it, you will totally remove your speaker from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!